Good afternoon everyone. Here we are at Dreamworld, where I thought I would do an update video because look how much progress has been made since just a couple of days ago when we were here. We've actually got all the structure for the station. Look at this, all currently being worked on. So it's all the official colours for King Claw. Hopefully you guys can see that. Just going to do a quick walk around. But yeah, it's definitely going vertical now. Oh, here we go. Let's go through here. Wow, doesn't it look awesome? So yeah, a lot of progress has been made just in the 3 days since we were here last. So there's the ramp there. I'm going to lift you guys over. Hopefully you can see.
Going to be very big.
There you go. But yeah, it's just incredible. I'm taken aback by how much they've done. They've been very busy in here. So of course this does open at the end of this year. We haven't got an official date yet, but Dreamworld says it will be this year. I'm going to grab some photos too to share. But yeah, definitely had to do a video for this one. It's been a lot of progress. Pretty good. So that's the latest update from Dreamworld on the King Claw.